Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been experimenting with Linux on Windows using WSL and want to clean up some distros you no longer need, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall a Linux distro from WSL quickly and cleanly. Let's jump right in. Open the Start menu and search for the Linux distro you want to uninstall, then click on the distro name. Click Uninstall on the right-hand side. This will uninstall the Linux distribution, but it won't completely remove it. Its files will still remain. Windows keeps these files so you have an opportunity to back them up before they're deleted. To delete the remaining Linux distro files, you'll need to run a few WSL commands in PowerShell. To get started, right-click the Start menu icon on the taskbar and choose Terminal. Next, run this command. It will show all the distros installed in WSL. Once you have the exact name of the distro, run the following command. Just copy the name of the distro you want to remove and paste it into the command. When executed, it will immediately remove the Linux distro from WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall a Linux distro from WSL. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.